Hello, my Sathis. How are you all? I hope you are doing well during this time. I understand that this lockdown period, this coronavirus issue might be making you feel sad, and there is a common sense of loss of energy amongst many of us, and I completely understand your emotions. So, what happens when we feel loss of energy? We tend to procrastinate. So, let's understand what is procrastination. There is a misconception about procrastination that procrastination is about delaying work. But that is not the case. Procrastination is not just about delaying every work, it is about delaying only those specific activities which really affect you, which are important for you and which are important for your growth. Okay, so only those activities which are essential are delayed in procrastination. Why do we procrastinate? I think this is a major question which we usually ask, that why do I don't want to study? Why do I don't want to do office work? So when you ask these questions, that why you don't want to study, you are basically asking the fundamental question, that why do you procrastinate? Why do you delay work? So what we have to understand is that we delay only those work which are essential, and those essential work needs a lot of energy from us. They require hard work, they require our concentration, they require everything from us. And that scares us, that brings a feeling of burden. And when we feel burdened, we tend to escape our reality. So studying is our reality and we want to escape it. Instead of studying, we want to live in a virtual reality, in some fantasy land, in some other world, by watching TV, Netflix, YouTube, TikTok. We never say that, oh, a new video has come, I will watch it some other time. No. We say that let's stop studying for a while and watch YouTube videos. Instead of studying, let's do this. Because studying is our reality. It is a reality which needs hard work, which requires energy. And YouTube or Netflix, it is a virtual reality which gives me pleasure, which is not scary. It takes me from my sad reality, from my hard reality where I have to work, to another dimension of reality where I can just sit and consume all the art or all the media which has been produced, and I don't have to do much. I just have to sit and consume. I don't have to produce anything, and it is much more relaxing than the actual reality. And this is the main reason why we tend to procrastinate a lot, right? So till now we have understood what is procrastination, misconceptions about procrastination, and why do we procrastinate. Now I don't wish to tell you about techniques on how you should deal with procrastination, because there are millions of videos on it. There are millions on tips and videos on how you can deal with procrastination. There are techniques. For instance, my favorite one is to do a simple small task at a time. So instead of trying to do everything, trying to achieve everything, just take a small step. For instance, if you want to make 10 videos, instead of making 10 videos in a day or in 2 days, make just one video and edit it and upload it. Or if you have to read 2 books, so instead of thinking about that you have to read 2 books, take one book and read just 5 pages and you are done with it. So what I am focusing on is changing your perspective regarding procrastination. So instead of focusing on what you have not done, focus on what little you have achieved. Even if it is little, it is much more than doing nothing. So even 0.5% growth is much greater than 0% growth. Even a little bit of your energy matters a lot, because when you do nothing, when you procrastinate and you do nothing at all, you are not giving anything to the universe. But when you do even a little small task, just by reading 5 pages, you are sending vibes to the universe that yes, you are achieving something, that yes, you are doing something productive. So instead of focusing on what you have not done, instead of saying that you still have to read one book, focus on the fact that at least you have read one book. So it will give you more confidence that yes, you have read one book, you will also read another book, because if you were able to do one task, you will be able to do another task as well. So instead of focusing on the negative, I am asking you to focus on the positive aspect of your work. It will help you to deal with your procrastination and change your perspective regarding procrastination. Okay? I hope it helps, and if it does, please share with me. And if you have any queries, you can contact me on my email or you can comment. If you like this video, please like and share, and if you have any suggestions, please tell me. Thank you. Take care.